Hi, this is Jennifer Lutz with Insider Travel Report here aboard the Celestial Journey, speaking with Sharon Law, the Shore Excursions Manager. Sharon, thank you for speaking with me.
Hello, everybody. I'm Sharon. Thank you so much to be here with us.
Okay, let's jump in. I hear that one of the most special parts of Celestial is this focus on excursions. So, tell me a bit about the type of excursions that are offered and the range of experiences possible.
All right. So, on Mode Celestial, we have a lot of different type of excursions that we are providing. Either you are a family or you're traveling as a solo travelers or with a group. So we have something that is going to make everybody happy. Now, for example, if you're talking about these new itineraries, we have made a lot of different approach.
And the new itinerary, we're speaking about the one I just got to experience, which has been really cool. And
Nice
I
to hear.
believe it's the Heavenly Greece, Italy, and Croatia
Yes.
itinerary. Okay. Tell me where we go.
So now, for example, in these new itineraries, we are going to Bari in Italy, Dubrovnik, that is quite impressive. Greece also, we're still going to Greece, of course, because it's one that is involving in our hearts.
And we're going to a bit kind of like off the beating path places, though, especially in Greece, right? Not the typical destination.
Even for this itinerary, we are still going there in Kotor. I don't know if you have heard about this one. Maybe you have joined us also. It's in Kotor that we have also the same experience that gives you the opportunity to go to the off-beaten track of the area.
Okay, and what about Celestial allows us to go to these off the beating track places that maybe some other cruise lines aren't getting to?
That's why we are a Celestial, a cruise line that is quite special, because being a mid-size cruise line, we are bringing our guests to hidden gem of the area. Like, for example, if you have heard that we are going to Milos, that not a lot of cruise lines they are going there. So Celestial, it might be famous to the iconic destination that we are going, for example, Mykonos, Santorini, that are very famous to a lot of cruise line.
Mykonos and Santorini, I believe that's on your idyllic line. That's more in the summer.
Idyllic and
Okay.
iconic. Okay,
So-
for the days.
Take me through, this is a great time. What are the different itineraries? So we have the idyllic, we
the
have
7-day
the
cruise.
7 day, we have the one that we're on now, the heavenly, and then what else do you
We
offer?
are in 2 weeks. Okay, we are going to start again our idyllic itineraries. We have the iconic, the friend 4-day cruise on the other ship. We have recently finished our Gulf itinerary, the Arabic itineraries, and something also will coming very soon that will be in the next month. The iconic Arabic that will be from the other ship that will
Okay,
go
so-
to the friend 4 days, Jordan, and so on. So
Bullet point that for me. So is that 4 or 5 different itineraries you offer?
So, five. Five. Let me double check. Iconic, idyllic, golf. 5 itineraries. Slowly, Celestial, we're expanding.
Okay, so if you're expanding, guests must be enjoying the experiences. What sort of feedback are you receiving from guests and from travel agents?
Okay, so far we have a very good feedback about this new itinerary that we have opened. This is our 4th cruise that we've been doing. People are happy to come to this area, like for example Kotor, that is very beautiful in terms of sceneries. We have Dubrovnik, that is full of histories, and also we have got a lot of good feedback from our repeaters. So we are very surprised to see some of the repeaters that have been with Celestial in the past, and they are coming here especially because they heard that Celestial is now slowly going to new places. So it's very nice to see that our work is finally growing, because like I said to you already, Celestial is not so famous, but to know that some people, they are again coming to us, is our job, is going to make a lot of crew very happy.
Okay, so people who experience Celestial Journey are enjoying it.
Exactly.
Let's really dive into this itinerary because I've loved it and it's my first cruise, so I'm very excited to talk about it. In Greece, we've gone to 3 different destinations, correct?
Yes.
So
Yes.
Let's go through the different stops and what sort of excursions are available there.
All right. So, for example, today I've been joining one amazing experience in Catacolon. Why I have liked it is because it was a combination of history that we went to the Olympia. Like you know, it's the birthplace of the Olympic Games. However, it was a good combination because after you leave from the culture historic part, you have the experience of the olive oil tasting. So it's for you to be able to know also the culture of the locals by trying some different type of products, and it's more like special one by one touch with the locals, and you are enjoying with the music and dancing. It was a very nice experience with us.
Let's talk more about this because I know a lot of people are looking for this immersive, this more local experience, which
Yes.
cruises aren't always known for. So, talk me through if I'm the travel agent, how would you help me or how would I go about booking this very personalized excursion experience for my client?
All right. So, for example, if you're a travel agent, you have two options. Most of the time, you can do it on a pre-book basis. You go directly through Celestial, and you will go to talk to them, and you want to tell them what you want to do. If, for example, like you said, you want to have a tailor-made excursion, customized, or if you're coming here with a special group of 30 people, we will make it as much as possible for you to have your private group, private bus, and then you can do your excursion according to your liking, to your people. This is something that can be booked before you come on board. Or, for example, if you're coming here together with a group, you can approach us on the first day and you say, yes, Sharon, I have my group here. We want to do something specific. As for sure, we can arrange it for you because, like my boss said, sky is the limit. So we can do anything that you want and according to your liking, because at the end of the day, we want to make our guests happy. Sure.
Okay, sky's the limit. This is exciting. So, let's say I have a family
Okay.
and grandma wants to do something. She wants to go to Mount Olympics. And then let's say I have some foodies involved and they want a more small, tailored experience. Is there a way to make this whole family happy?
For sure, we have two different kind. If you're talking maybe on a private basis, we can do so. Just for you and your family. If you want to have something simple, of course, we can arrange it. However, we'll have also the new excursions that has been created recently. Like 2 years ago, it's called the Authentic Experience Excursions that give only a limited amount of guests to join one excursion. So why it's called authentic is that we don't want 40 people to be together with us on excursion, like 10, 15 people, to give the more personal touch to our guests. At the end of the experience, you will know the guide. The guide will come to take each of you what you would like. He will give each of our guests a personal touch to the excursions. Like we have the cooking demonstration in Mykonos that you will go there, you will cook together with the locals. You have the wine lovers if you want the wine tasting, olive oil tastings. You have an amazing excursion also that we have also in Mykonos is called the Mosaic. So they will give you some materials, you will do your special mosaic, which is quite amazing. So you will still have to enjoy your experience with us. It's not only just to go and to watch, but you will participate in the excursion. So at the end of the day, you will come very happy and you can go together with a nice souvenirs from the locals.
I can tell by your expression that you seem to really love what you do.
Yes. This is why I think I choose to be a Shorex. To tell you the truth, at the first time I didn't know about the Shorex, but this is the advantage of being from this department, because at the end of the day, we are working very close to the people. We are outside with them. We are seeing how they are happy when they are enjoying. We are enjoying with them. So this is what makes us happy. That they will come back from excursion. They will see us at the desk. Say, "We love our excursion. We love that you were here today. I loved my experience." So at the end of the day, even if we have a very difficult day, when our guest is coming here, they are happy. We are proud to be. That means that it's a proof that we are doing our job.
And part of that job that I've been lucky enough to witness is really taking care of your guest.
Yes, for sure.
So let's talk about some of the ways you make these excursions accessible to people of different wellness levels, let's say.
Okay. Maybe you're talking about the people with mobility issues.
Yes.
All right. So if you're talking now in terms of my department for the Shorex, you will notice, or maybe you have noticed already, that the Shorex staff, they are always around with the guests. Our duty is not only on board. We are also going with our guests on excursion to ensure that they have an amazing experience because, of course, we have some people that cannot walk a lot. They have mobility issues. They're walking a lot very slowly. So we have our staff that will be always around to take care of them, to walk with them, and if at some point they feel that they cannot come and they will follow the group, we will assist them to make them sit in one cafe. They will be sitting with them, so we will always be there and to ensure that they have an amazing moment because at the end of the day, they are here to enjoy with us. So it's nice to see that we have these people, even if they have some limited walking difficulties, they are still enjoying with us. So of course, if they are coming here, we are always telling them, are you sure you're going to go on excursions? If they still want it, we will always be there because it's not nice for them to be here on board and they stay on a cruise. That's why we are here.
So you really make it so the whole family can go. So grandma
Exactly.
can come to Mount Olympus.
Of course, we are going to help grandma. We are going to walk one step at a time. We are going to talk with them. We are going to hold their hands to ensure that grandma will come and will go back home with a very memorable time with us.
So I think we're talking about excursions, but I think you just hit on something that for me has been very special about my experience on Celestial Journeys, is this kind of feeling of family, which might be part of the authentic Greek experience that you're trying to offer on board.
Exactly.
What do you most like about being part of the Celestial Journey crew?
I think you have said it already. Is because we feel like a family. Okay, I've been on Celestial for the 8 years of my life, and I will tell you the truth that at the end we feel like everybody were like connected together. Either you're speaking about a simple cook, or the staff or the crew around. So we are a family, we are helping each other, we are at the end of the day coming here to smile. It's a very nice experience to feel that, to tell you the truth, all of us, we are away from our families for 8 years, a month, 10 months, but this is our home. So also, this is the same feeling that we want to transmit to our guests, to make them at the end of the experience with us to feel like home. You will be here, but at the end of your cruise, I will know your name, you will know my name. It's not from a big cruise line that you will just be somebody here that I met, welcome on board, and I will never see you again. So that's why Celestial, we are small, but we make our experience something memorable.
Small but mighty.
Exactly. Strong also, I would say.
Strong, small, mighty.
Exactly.
So I don't want to take too much of your time. I just need us to talk briefly about Montenegro because
Okay.
it's not listed in the Greece, Italy, Croatia, but it is part of the itinerary.
Yes.
And I know not many cruise ships go there. So tell me about what you're offering in Montenegro. Tell me why Celestial is able to go there.
So, for example, like you mentioned, so Montenegro is not so famous in terms of a lot of cruise lines going there. So that's why we want to, like I said before, we want to make our guests discover the hidden gem of some of the area. That's why now we are going to Montenegro, in Budva, for example, or Kotor. We want to make our guests experience how they are combining now this beautiful area that was first destroyed, but it was a mixture of the cosmopolitan area and now the history. Is a very nice place that I think that you have discovered together with us. And Montenegro also by itself, when you will go and you will arrive, the first thing that you will see, you're going to be breathtaking by the beautiful scenery of the area with all the nature and also from the surrounding old town. So that's why we want to make our guests discover this beautiful area of Montenegro.
And can you give us any previews into some upcoming excursions or itineraries that we can look forward to?
I see that you're very curious to know about our next itineraries. So yes, of course, we have something that is going to come at some point. It's going to be, I think, in July. We will go also to Venice or in Split. So, and at the end of the season also, our other cruise ship, the Discovery, we will go to the iconic Arabic area in Jordan, in Petra, which is going to be quite amazing. So slowly, you will discover more with our new itineraries.
Definitely a lot to look forward to.
Yes, so we are going to expect you also to come with us.
I'm going to come on all the cruises. I need to experience all of it. Well, Sharon, thank you. I'm just going to say a quick goodbye to everyone. So once again, this is Jennifer Lutz for Insider Travel Report on board the Celestial Journey with Sharing Law.